Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a you-pick apple orchard. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and an orchard worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. At an apple orchard, is the price about the weight of the apples or about the size of the bag? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Look at that sign, Ellie. Small, medium, and large bags.
And look at the prices, too. The large bag isn't much more than the small one.
Do you think the price is about the weight of the apples?
Maybe, or maybe it's about the size of the bag. I'm not sure.
That's a good question. We can ask someone later.
I think I want the large bag.
Really? We're only 2 people.
I often think a small bag is enough. Then I see more apples and want a bigger bag.
That's true for me too. I always take more food than I can eat.
Exactly. It happens every time. Once we start picking, we get excited and want a full bag.
Okay, let's get 2 large bags then. We can share the extra apples with our neighbors.
That's a nice idea. My neighbor loves apple pie.
Then we need a lot of good apples for that.
Let's go find the trees. I'm ready to start.
Me too. This place looks huge.
It is big. I read online that this farm grows more than 20 kinds of apples.
20 kinds? I only know 4 or 5 kinds.
Same here. Let's learn some new ones today.
Sounds fun. Which way do we go?
The map says the trees are past that red barn.
Let's walk over there. I can already smell the apples.
Me too. I love this smell in the fall.
The weather is perfect for this too. Sunny, but not too hot.
Look, there's a small map by the gate. It shows all the different areas.
There's a picking area, a farm stand, and even a pond.
A pond? Let's see that after we finish picking.
Sure, that sounds nice. Let's not forget the time, though. We have a lot to do.
Right. Let's focus on the apples first.
Wow, there are so many trees here. Where do we start?
Look, there are small signs by each row of trees.
You're right. This one says, Honeycrisp, ready now.
And the next row says, Fuji, not yet.
Look, this row says, not ready yet. We need the other side.
I didn't know different apples were ready at different times.
Me neither. I thought all the apples in one place were ready together.
I guess it depends on the kind of apple. Some kinds are ready earlier than others.
That makes sense. It's like fruit at the store. Some fruit comes in summer and some comes in winter.
Right, and here we can see it with our own eyes. It's like reading a map for apples.
A map for apples. I like that.
Let's follow the signs to the Honeycrisp trees. Those are ready now.
Good idea. I love Honeycrisp apples. They're so sweet and crunchy.
Me too. My mom always buys them at the store.
This way, I think. The sign says turn left here.
I see the trees now. Look how full they are.
There are so many red apples on every branch.
This is going to take a while. There's too much to choose from.
That's a nice problem.
True. Let's start with this tree.
Let's split up for a minute. I'll wait by this tree and start looking at the apples.
That works. I'll go get us 2 bags from the small building near the entrance.
While you're there, let's decide what to make with our apples.
I was thinking about apple pie or maybe applesauce.
Both sound great. Let's pick enough apples for both.
I'll ask about a 3rd bag too, just in case.
Good idea. See you back here soon.
Hi, I'm here to get 2 large bags for picking apples.
Sure, no problem. Here are your bags.
Thank you. Can I ask you something? Is the price about the weight of the apples?
Good question. Actually, no. We decide the price by the bag size, not by weight.
Really? So it doesn't matter if the apples are big or small?
Right. It only matters what size bag you buy.
That's interesting. I didn't expect that.
Most people don't know this at first. Once they learn it, they change how they pack.
What do you mean?
Put the apples close together. Empty space means fewer apples for the same price.
Oh, that makes so much sense now.
Some people put the apples in too quickly. The bag looks full, but there's empty space inside.
I never thought about it that way.
If you put the apples in carefully, side by side, you can fit a lot more.
I'll tell my friend Sam. He's picking apples right now.
Nice thinking. It's the same price either way, so it's smart to pack it well.
Thank you so much for the tip. Is there anything else fun to do here?
Yes, there's a hayride that goes around the whole orchard. All the apple trees.
A hayride. That sounds fun. We might try that later.
It's a great way to see everything without walking.
Thanks for all the tips today. This is very helpful for us.
No problem at all. Have fun out there and come back if you need more bags.
We will. Have a nice day, David.
You too.
There you are. I have some news. I talked to the man at the stand.
What did he say?
The price isn't about weight. It's about the size of the bag.
Really? So we should pack the apples tightly?
Yes, exactly. No wasted space.
Okay, let's try that. This apple looks perfect.
Wait, don't pull it like that.
What do you mean? I'm just picking it.
Twist it, don't pull it. You can hurt the tree if you pull too hard.
Oh no.
Look out.
Whoa, apples are falling everywhere.
I told you. Now some apples are on the ground.
Sorry about that. I didn't know you had to twist the apple.
It's okay. Twist it gently like this. See? It comes off easily.
Oh, that's so much easier, and it doesn't hurt the branch.
Right. Now let's look at the apples on the ground.
Are they still good to eat?
Don't put those in our bag. They may be hurt or dirty. Let's ask a worker.
Good idea. We can leave them here and ask someone later.
Let's keep picking from the tree instead. Those apples are safe to eat.
Okay, this one looks perfect, and it's still on the branch.
Good. Pack it close to the others in the bag.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. See how much space that saves?
I see it now. No gaps between the apples.
Exactly. We're learning fast today.
Twist, don't pull. I won't forget that again.
Look at this tree. It has so many apples close together.
Let's check each apple before we pick it.
Right. We want the ones with no marks or soft spots.
This one looks perfect, nice and firm.
Twist it slowly, just like I showed you.
There, it came right off. See, I'm getting better at this.
You are. Our bags are filling up fast now.
We are picking so fast we might finish early. Our bags are almost full. Let's take a break.
Good idea. I see a stand over there with donuts and drinks.
Perfect. I'm hungry after all that picking.
2 cups of apple cider and 2 donuts, please.
Here, try this. It's warm.
Oh, this tastes different from apple juice. What is cider exactly?
Here in the US, this kind of cider has no alcohol. It's just apple juice with small pieces still in it.
I always thought cider and apple juice were the same drink.
A lot of people think that, but they can taste a little different.
I like it. It's warm and it smells like cinnamon.
The donuts smell amazing too. Let's try one.
This is so good. It's soft and a little sweet.
I could eat 5 of these.
Let's just get 1 more each.
Deal. This is the best part of the day so far.
I agree. Sitting here with warm cider feels so nice.
The weather is perfect too. Not too hot, not too cold.
I love fall. The colors, the food, everything.
Me too. Let's finish our snacks and go see the rest of the farm.
That works. Should we try the ride around the farm now?
Yes, let's do it. You told me it's called a hay ride, right?
Right. David said it's a big wagon full of hay that a tractor pulls around the farm.
That sounds fun. Do people just sit on the hay?
I think so. It goes past the orchard and around a small pond.
Let's get another donut before we go. This one is too good.
Okay, 1 more each and then we go.
Should we get some donuts to bring home too?
Great idea. Let's get a small box of 6.
Perfect. Now let's find the hay ride.
It should be near the entrance, close to where we parked.
Here comes the hay ride. Let's get on.
Okay, I'll sit here with our bags.
Hold on tight. It looks like it moves fast.
Whoa, I didn't expect it to be this bumpy.
Me neither. I almost dropped my bag.
I'm holding my bag with both arms now.
Same here. I don't want to lose a single apple.
This is so much fun, though.
It is. Look at the view from up here.
You can see the whole orchard from this side.
The rows of trees look so neat from up here.
And look, there's the red barn we walked past.
This ride is longer than I thought.
Whoa, another bump.
I think everyone on this ride is holding on to something.
Look at that family. They're holding their bags tight too.
I guess everyone learns fast that it's a bumpy ride.
It's a little scary, but also exciting.
I'm glad we packed our apples close together. Nothing is falling out.
Good thing we listened to David's tip.
Yeah, that was helpful.
I think we're almost back at the start.
Good. My arms are getting tired from holding on so tight.
Mine too. That was a fun ride, though.
Definitely. Once we get off, let's head to the car.
Wait, look. We're passing the small pond we saw on the map.
Oh, nice. There are ducks swimming in it.
They look so calm compared to us right now.
True. We're still holding on tight.
1 more bump and then we should be back at the start.
I hope so. My hands are getting tired from holding on so tight.
Same here, but I'm glad we tried this ride.
Me too. It's a fun way to see the whole farm.
Next time, maybe we sit in the middle. It's less bumpy there.
Good tip. I'll remember that for next year. What a great day. Look at our bags, Ellie.
They look really full and heavy.
Look, that family's bag looks a little different from ours.
I see what you mean. Ours is packed close together, just like David showed us.
Right. Their apples have more space between them.
And ours are side by side with no gaps.
We really used David's tip well.
I'm kind of proud of our packing now.
You should be. We probably got a good number of apples for the price.
It's a small thing, but it feels good to know.
I'll remember this next time we go apple picking.
Me too. Pack tight. Lift and twist the apple, don't pull it.
You learned a lot today.
We both did. This day was so much fun.
So, what should we do with all these apples?
I think we should bake a pie together.
That works well. We have more than enough apples for one pie.
We could even make two, one for us and one for the neighbors.
I like that plan. Let's stop by the store for some flour and sugar on the way home.
Good idea. This has been such a nice day at the farm.
It has. I'm already thinking about next year.
Me too. Same time, same place?
Definitely. Let's put our bags in the car now.
Okay, let's go home and start baking.
We should call David's tip the secret to apple picking.
That's a great name for it. Pack tight, save money.
We got so much more out of this trip than I expected.
Me too. Good food, a fun ride, and a useful lesson.
Don't forget the ducks at the pond.
Of course. This whole day was full of small surprises.
I'm glad we came. Thank you for planning this.
Thank you for coming with me. Let's take a photo before we leave.
Good idea. Let's use the timer on my phone so we're both in the picture.
Perfect. This will be a nice memory for us.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Great picture. Now let's really go home.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. At an apple orchard, is the price about the weight of the apples or about the size of the bag? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.